Hello, so I'm in Paris. So we are staying here for 3 days, and we are staying not in the main city, not in the city center, but it is like 15 minutes by train. You can reach here. It's 3 stops from the main city. So it is nice, good place, less crowd. So we book through Airbnb, and it's a small cozy room. It's very beautiful. So I'm going to give you a small tour of the room. This area is the kitchen area, and it can have one microwave. That's the fridge, some kitchen stuff, and they have crockeries also for us. That's the main door, and that's outside. It's dark right now. Small table with 2 chairs, and this one big bed, nice and cozy. Yep. A mirror, and here you have the washroom. Small and cute. About the room in Paris. It is nice and cozy, but it's really small, but it's good. Like it's good for 2 person. You can book it through Airbnb. I'll mention the link below. Do let me know if you need any other information about this place. Bye bye.